Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS, and today we will be unboxing a very special package from our friends at Unlimited PWC. Inside this box is literally Unlimited's entire catalog of hop-up parts for the Kawasaki Ultra 310 line of jet skis. So first we have the Unlimited PWC Billet X sponsons. So these are available in red, silver, gold, and black to complement your Kawasaki Ultra 310 perfectly to match your style. Now our 310 LXS here is Kawasaki lime green and ebony black, and so we've complemented that with a variety of custom products from Unlimited PWC. So these sponsons are adjustable 12 ways, and they improve handling and straight line stability. They're real easy to bolt on. They include all the parts needed. These washers here are actually available in quite a few different colors: red, black, gold, and silver. So you could customize these exactly how you want. Next, we have the Unlimited PWC Billet Cam Cover. This actually fits all Kawasaki 4-stroke engines. It's available in green, red, silver, black, gold, gunmetal, and blue. We went with, you guessed it, we've also got the Unlimited PWC Billet Aluminum Oil Cap. We went with this in black just to further complement our color scheme. Here is Unlimited's Type 6 exhaust tip. This is just a substantial piece of aluminum, and it'll look awesome on our ski. Here we have Unlimited's full handlebar package. We have our fixed riser, that's in silver, and then we have our Unlimited PWC handlebars. Those are in billet green. Those are also available in quite a few colors. We have our handlebar pad, and we have a set of Unlimited logo grips with matching green caps, and then our black billet end caps. So this bracket here is going to allow you to relocate that immobilizer key. These are the Unlimited PWC Kawasaki flush ports. These go in the rear of the ski, and you have one for your intercooler and one for your engine. We went with green for both of these just to really give us that pop. And this is the flush port that's included. This is also in billet aluminum. We've also got a bypass port. This is also billet aluminum. This is your water telltale that is on the starboard side of the ski. We've got our Unlimited PWC green billet automatic ball drains. These are very similar to the PWC Doctor drains. However, they're much higher quality and they're custom color matched to your ski. Last but definitely not least, we have our traction mats. So these are our brick cut. We have them in lime green and black. They've got a great texture to them, and these are custom laser cut to fit the Ultra deck and the ski itself. Now, while Unlimited PWC does provide many of these parts you see in front of you for Kawasaki, Yamaha, and Sea-Doo Watercraft, they really blew it out of the water when it came to aftermarket support for the new Kawasaki Ultra 310 line of jet skis. And they're the only ones in the market that can hook you up with all these components from a single source. So we can't wait to get this Kawasaki Ultra 310 hooked up Unlimited PWC style. So stay tuned, only on the Watercraft Journal.